And if I keep tapping, just very gently, tapping the aluminum foil, more pieces keep dropping off the sides. Something else that I'm noticing is that this is a slight exothermic reaction. Remember I told you it was about 25 degrees Celsius in the room during my last check. And let's see what our temperature is now. And it looks like we are about back up to about 27 degrees Celsius from about the 25 degrees Celsius mark where we had been before. And I believe if we let the reaction continue to run, we'll continue to see an increase in temperature. Let's zoom back in so you can see what it's looking like right now. And as the reaction runs, I will continue letting you guys know the current temperature that we have. If you have a guess as to how high this temperature is going to go, you might want to write that down if you haven't already done so. There's very little aluminum foil left. And I wouldn't call the material that's collecting on the bottom a precipitate, because it was reacted aluminum. It's just the aluminum foil coming apart. And that color that's in there, it's more of a copper-like color. Oh boy, now the temperature's gone up significantly. We're all the way up to 30 degrees centigrade. Pop back out so you guys can see that. And we are definitely at 30 degrees centigrade. Maybe if I can zoom in a little bit, you can see it a little bit better. And right about there, that's about our 30 degrees centigrade mark. And the reaction I already know ahead of time. This reaction will end up getting up to 30 degrees Celsius. But the big ideas of what I want you guys to get from running these four reactions would be that there are four main indicators of a chemical reaction, that being that there can be an increase or decrease in temperature. Whoa, come on back out further. An increase or decrease in temperature. There can also be a gas that forms, and there can be a color change as well, and a precipitate, which is material that settles out of solution and collects on the bottom of your beaker. In some cases, a precipitate could actually float. One other thing that we haven't discussed here would be another indicator of a chemical reaction, and that might be something you'd see if light was produced, such as with a firefly. So those are the main indicators there. Basically, there are 5 of them. Like, for example, if they're chemically produced in the body of a firefly. But the main ones, again, reviewing, it's a color change, an increase or a decrease in temperature, and a precipitate forming, and gas forming. And in a few of our reactions, we had both a gas forming, and we had a color change. So that's it for today. If you have any questions, you know where to reach me, Parsons Junior High School, Redding, California. Bye.